What's up, besties? It's the first of the month. Today, we are doing a haul. And not just any haul, besties. We're doing a Revice Denim haul. Not sponsored, I just really like that brand. A lot of you have been complaining about my lighting, saying, oh, it's too dark, blah, 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 blah. Oh, this would be a great haul if the lighting wasn't so bad. So, I woke up early today, did my hair and makeup, got all set up, and then I was gonna film on my DJI Osmo, but it was making everything blue. But I hear you, I read all your comments and complaints. So today I am filming on my Sony. So now hopefully the lighting is better in here. And don't make fun of my glasses, I have eye problems, okay? These are my special glasses. Let's get into it. I have no idea what these things are. Let me grab my phone so that I can tell you what all this shit is. To start, let's do this set. It is so cute. It says Revice, a white tank top with matching shorts. The shorts also say Revice. Cutie. I have no idea what this is because I actually bought this last fall, planning on doing a haul, and I never got around to it. Okay, this was so tight. The top, the shorts are fine, but the top, I was struggling to get over my head and my body and my chest. I believe it's a size small, but it's like, oh my God, I'm bulging out of it down here. Like, I'll show you. It's honestly, I feel a little bit wearing this because I've been lifting, I've been bulking, I'm gaining weight, I'm eating good, I'm lifting. So this shirt, I feel like I'm bulging out of here. Cameraman, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Better or worse? Better or worse? Looks like worse to me. I'm really struggling. I'm trying to do a good job for you guys because you guys complain about everything and I don't know if this is better. This I think is worse. I'm just trying to show y'all that I'm bulging out of it. But the shorts feel pretty good. I really like these micro shorts. They're stretchy. I didn't think they were going to be, but they are. And I think they're cute and I like them a lot. I think they're adorable. The shirt is a little tight. I don't know how I feel about the shirt. Okay, let's keep it moving. Next, we are trying on the B Special jeans. And I'm wearing them in the color Thrift Gold. I'm really excited about these because they have ripped knee on the front and a rip on the butt in the back, and I think that's cool and I'm excited to try it on. Also, I got these in size 25 because I wasn't sure. Usually I'm a 24, 25, but I wasn't sure what I am in this brand. So I just opted to go bigger in size. I rather have oversized than too tight and you can't get it on, but I think I should have gone down a size because look at that, kind of got a lot of room there, but you know, it is what it is. And this is my first time trying their jeans, so you live and you learn. I don't mind it, and you know what, they might shrink in the wash, but I really like the length of it. Okay, I got a notification that my camera is overheating and it just shut down. So while camera was cooling down, I put on the next top. It is the heart cutout tank top. I actually don't know what this is called because like I said, I bought this a few months ago. Never got around to doing the haul, but we're doing it now. Besties, I like it. I think it's real cute. I like the heart. Let's keep it moving. Here is yet again another top from a few months ago. I don't know what it's called, but it's still online. Let's put it on. It got stuck on my glasses and I had to take them off. We got a real tight, snug fit. So far, the tank top, the heart cutout tank top, and now this brown tank top crop, they're all size small. I'm nervous because I got some size extra small tops over there as well, so let's keep it going. All right, next, these are the B Special jeans, American Blues. So technically, they're the same cut as the jeans I have on now, but they're a different color and they have a different, what is this thing called? Different around the waist. You'll see exactly what I mean as soon as I put them on. Pretty sure they're the exact same size. 25, yep, 25, look at that. Look at the top. It's like a destroyed top of the waistband. I thought it looked pretty cool. Oh, this one's hard. Oh, it's because this thing's in the way. Look at that. Guys, look at this. It's like they just took scissors and cut the top. These are fun, I like it. I like it a lot, they're different. Oh, whoop, whoop, whoop. They kind of fit better than the last pair too. And these also go all the way down to the floor. And I like it. I like that effect. I like that they're baggy. This is the 16 Champs tee in the color Halftime. It's this like textured jersey-ish, but like soft material. Here's the shirt. Really, really cute. I think I got a size extra small. It's cropped, it's tight, but it's not so tight that I was struggling to get it on. This one I was actually put on. My God, my brain is malfunctioning. I'm not okay right now. This so far has been the easiest top to put on. The rest of them, not so much. But I love it, it's so cute. State champs. I don't know what Bel Air is state champs of, but you know we are. All right, besties, I'm back. I let my camera cool down for a long time, a really long time. While my camera was cooling down, I ate some snacks, some charcuterie, some salami, some chicken salad. Yeah, I like chicken salad. You know what? We got the vibes back. We reset, we collected ourselves, we took some deep breaths, and I'm feeling a lot better now. Also, I turned the air on, so it's not 100 degrees in here anymore. All of this was information you didn't need, but you got it, all right? That's what I do for you. I give you things that you don't want. I don't remember where we left off, but she's cute. I like her. I like it. Picasso. I want to wear more green, I think. I think I'm really into green. Let's keep it moving. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this next shirt. All right, the next shirt we're trying on is the Chase tee. Look how freaking cute this is. Look at that. 2 Calvins playing tug of war. I had to get it. I'm pretty sure it's one size fits all. I don't know, there's no size on it, so I'm assuming it's one size fits all. Once again, it is that jersey fabric where it's like cotton, but jersey and there's like little holes. It's different, it's unique. I like it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It is so freaking cute. It's so cozy. It feels like a practice jersey, but higher quality. And I love the oversized look. I'm not wearing a bra right now, but you could wear a bra. I don't know why I keep saying my B's like that. Sorry. You just wear a bra and then you can like partially tuck it in, you know? Get that little effect. I love me some oversized sleeves. This is so comfy cozy. I don't want to take this off. I love it. I'm actually obsessed. Actually obsessed. It is so freaking bright in here. Oh my God. But I do it for you. I do it for you. The mean people in the comments yelling at me that my lighting sucks. This is for you. Guys, this is cute, right? The next thing I'm gonna try on is actually the opposite of this t-shirt. I don't think this top could be smaller if they tried. This is the tiniest top in the world. Guinness Book of World Record, #1, tiniest top. But I like it, it says Revice. And it's also in that jersey fabric, okay? It's kind of like a towel, like a cotton towel a little bit. I don't know how else to describe it. So we got 3 tops in that fabric and I like it a lot. I was gonna wear it with these. What are these? Yeah, these are overalls. These aren't just normal overalls. These are sexy overalls, okay? Because everything we do here, we keep it sexy, hot, cute, fresh, fly, amazing, unique, ambitious, period. Let's put these on together. How about it? I didn't think it was gonna fit, but it fits. It fits. This is the Kiara Crop Cherry Bomb. And I think I got a size small. I'm not really sure though. Don't hold me to that because I don't know for sure. And you can't even see my nipples or nothing. I mean, I do have nippies on, but you can't see anything. Oh my God, this is so cute. She's giving sporty. All right, now the overalls. What did I tell you? Overalls, but make them sexy. We got the low rise. Low rise, it covers just above the belly button and it goes low here too, so you gotta either wear no thong or wear the thong down here, you know what I mean? I love it. It's so cunty. Oh, and you know what, you can either wear it one shoulder, boom, like that. You can even wear it like that. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's so cute. If the bra top isn't for you, I was thinking this could also be cute. This t-shirt, this Revice t-shirt, it says California Beach and Pier. It has some rhinestones on it. She's cute. I was thinking this crop could be cute with it as well. Let's see. First, let me just show you the top. She's cute. I like her color. She's a little bit more loose, little bit of a relaxed fit compared to the others. This is really cute. I like it. I'm a fan. Calvin is having a dream and he's growling in his dream. He's yelling at someone in his dream right now. Yep. This is my favorite. I think it's cute. Honestly, you could probably wear it with any of those tops and it would be really cute. Even the big baggy one, I would put the baggy one on over because even the design of the overall jeans is really cute. I think I have to keep going lower like this. Can you guys see that? It's cute. Y'all are trying to bring back skinny jeans? No. No. What are we doing? I'm not wearing skinny jeans. Get out of here. Don't take away my baggy clothes, okay? That's my home. That's where I feel safe, is in my baggy clothes. You know what I say? Baggy bottom, slutty little top. The perfect combo. Or even better combo, baggy on the bottom, baggy on the top. Win-win. Y'all are trying to bring back skinny jeans? No. I want to bring back overalls, but not the fugly ones. We're making sexy overalls a thing. Mark my words, this summer, you're gonna see sexy overalls everywhere. You heard it here first. Come back to me when I'm right. All right, besties, that's it for our Revice haul. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment down below which was your favorite and what you think, or if you want to bully me, that's okay, I guess. If that's what you want to do, that's what you want to do. I'm not going to tell you what to do, but it helps me and it helps my channel for you to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. I'm blind. I can't see.